Read. We. By. On. In. As. It. Go. Trace and write. Introduction. Living and non-living things. Living things. People. Animal. Plant. Non-living. Natural. Man-made. Living things refers to things that are now or once were alive. A non-living thing is anything that was never alive. Look at the pictures and circle yes or no for the living things. Number name 7. 7.
Trace and write the number name.
Primary colors, red, yellow, blue. Red. Blue. Yellow. Circle the pictures that consist of primary colors. Number name 8. 8.
Trace and write the number name.
Read. 2. 6. 1. The. Was. 10. Sad. Trace the letters. Take a thick chat paper and cut it as per the shape of your hand. Now take an ice cream stick and stick the hand-shaped chart paper on it. Draw the scales of the fish with your favorite color. Use googly eyes for fish eyes, or you can use black color. Number name 9. 9.
Trace and write the number name.
Secondary colors. Red plus blue equals purple. Yellow plus blue equals green. Red plus yellow equals orange. When we mix two primary colors, it forms a secondary color. Match the colors with the first letter of their names. Money, money, yes, mummy. Money, money, yes, mummy eating mangoes, yes, mummy for granny tells me, it's so nice and good for lovely, healthy eyes. Let's learn about some important festivals. Gurpurab, Eid, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Christmas. Match the following. Number name 10. 10.
Trace and write the number name.
A digraph is two letters that make one sound. CH. Shis. WH. TH. The digraph can be made up of vowels or consonants.